I use AI to grade my students' writing. There, I said it. Now let's talk about why I would make that choice again. AI grading has actually helped my students. They wrote and revised more because faster feedback meant real revision cycles, not just one-and-done drafts. It also made me a more consistent and fairer grader. The context matters. As a 9th and 12th grade English teacher working with diverse students and coordinating multiple co-teachers, I need efficient and consistent grading. This video is an honest talk about this controversial choice. As one colleague told me, I think it'll probably be more fair than you are. This insight was a major factor in trying out AI grading. My school district was already paying for Writable, which has AI feedback and suggested scores. Note that these are only suggestions. Teachers must still review and edit the scores and feedback before sending them to students. Specificity is key. You must align the rubric exactly to the task. Clear guardrails and precise language are essential, so the AI knows exactly what different scores look like within the specific context. Is AI accurate? Yes. A 2024 UC Irvine study found that ChatGPT's feedback was within 1 point of trained human evaluators and even outperformed humans at referencing specific criteria. With current AI generations, that gap has only narrowed. For instance, Claude can accurately grade student writing on a rubric. We can provide the narrative and the rubric, and it suggests scores and detailed feedback that align with the criteria. Here are the scores that Claude provided for student responses. This demonstrates the consistency and detail of the AI's evaluations. I used a simple prompt to set up ID number scoring, giving each answer a number based on the order of submission. The prompt also included calibration questions to ensure the AI understood my expectations for length, specificity, and argument structure. Speed enables growth. If I take 3 weeks to grade, students are done. If I take 3 days, they will revise, resubmit, and learn. Efficiency is about student progress, not just saving me time. The reality of human drift shows that human graders are inconsistent. A U of Michigan study found students whose last names start with N through Z get statistically worse grades due to grader fatigue. AI helps keep me honest when I'm tired on a Friday afternoon. We address concerns like privacy by using district-supported, compliant tools with training data turned off. For bias, human and AI bias balance each other. And regarding student use, there are times to use AI for learning and times when it hurts learning. Ultimately, I am still the human in the loop. The grades I give my students may be helped by AI, but I am still the one giving the grade. I own every score. The slides in this video were curated by Jen Roberts, based on her own experiences with AI grading. The script and voiceover were AI generated by Gemini based on the slides. For more about this topic, visit litandtech.com.